Hi guys, let's see how to install Java JDK on your Windows 11 computer. So it's very easy how to do this. Open any browser of your choice and now just Google Java JDK. Okay, now go to Java downloads from oracle.com. Scroll down and find the download links. Click on Windows. Now just choose x64 installer. Just click on download to download it. Once it gets downloaded, just double click on it to install it. Okay, just double click on it to start the installation process. Once you have installed this file on your computer, the next process is just go to your file explorer and go to C folder and program files folder. Here you will find Java folder. Just go inside Java folder. Now here you will find JDK folder with the version name. Okay, so just double click on it. Now this path we will have to edit in the environment variables of our Windows 11 computer. So let's see how to do this. So just search sysdm.cpl in the search box. Click on sysdm.cpl. Now click on Advanced tab and click on Environment Variables. Now here in the user variable section, click on New. Now type Java_home with all caps, and in the variable value we have to enter this path which we got when we just entered the JDK folder. This is the first path in the user variable. Don't forget it. Click on OK. Now in the system variable, just double click on this path, double click on it, and this window will open up. Now we'll have to enter second path here. So how we will get the second path? Double click on bin folder and copy the URL from the address bar. This is the second path. So in the system variable we'll enter the second path. So click on new and right click and paste. Click on OK and click on OK and click on OK. And that's it. You have just installed Java JDK on your Windows 11 computer. This was so easy. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the